everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another travel series. For those of you that are watching my videos for the first time, please check out my Maldives series that released a couple of months back. I'm sure you'll really like my content.
Okay.
In the first part of this series, we would be flying to Guwahati. From there, drive to Arunachal Pradesh, where I spent a week. And in the second part, we would be flying to Delhi, then an overnight bus to Shimla, then in a tempo traveler to our final destination, Spiti, where I spent another week. In this video, I'll also be introducing few new segments like Safar Ki Samagri, where I will let you know what to carry so that you don't forget anything. The next segment would be Daya Darwaza Khol Do. I'll be providing my reviews of the hotels we stayed in and a report card so that you can choose wisely when you plan your trip to Arunachal. Then we have a very interesting segment, Galti Se Mistake. I mean, there will be some ups and downs in every trip. So here I'll be sharing all the mistakes that I did so that you can keep this in mind while planning your trip.
Oh my god! Wow! हो गया बस करो बस करो बस करो बस करो.
So the plan for day one was that we will travel to Bhalukpong, which is a small town in West Caming in Arunachal. I had planned this really well that we would reach Guwahati by 12 pm and then a 5-hour drive to Bhalukpong. But things never happen as per plan, as my friend's flight were delayed and now they were landing at 4 pm instead of 12 pm. Well, it was really demotivating as it was our first day and things weren't going as per plan. You guys will be shocked. This footage was taken at exactly 4:15 pm. Because I have traveled to few northeastern states, I was aware that by 5 pm it's dark. So if you want to enjoy the scenery, the travel must happen before 5 pm. That was my day 1, where the entire day went in traveling, and we reached Bhalupong around 10:30 pm.
The next morning.
कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ जरूर है.
So in this section I'll be giving you hotel reviews so that you can decide if you want to stay in these hotels. Unfortunately I couldn't give you a room tour because I had reached late last night and I was really tired to shoot. Okay, so for location I would give it a 4-star. As you could see, the hotel was surrounded with nature and it was really a shant place.
मस्त जोक मारा रे ये हंस रे हलकट हंस.
Cleanliness, I would just give it a 2-star because the rooms weren't that clean.
मैं कोई बोतल से निकला हुआ भूत हूँ कि एक के बाद एक काम देते जा रहे हो.
For food, I would give it a 3-star. I mean, we just had breakfast there and the food was good. Amenities, I would give it a 3-star. I mean, there was nothing extra given and I had what I needed. Hospitality, I would give it a 4-star. The staff were very courteous and well-mannered. Overall, I would give this stay a 3-star.
Thanks. Love you.
So the plan for day 2 was that we would be driving to Dirang, another small town in West Kameng, which is a good 7 to 8 hour journey. And on the way, we were planning to explore these beautiful bridges and waterfalls that I have been hearing from a very long time. The first stop was Orchid Research Center in a village called Tipi. The driver insisted that we come here, so it was a quick entry and exit. Well, this was my day too. I was just enjoying the drive to Dirang and was just soaking in nature.
ऐ इंसान, देख तारीख ने लाई कैसी ये नौबत है, जो ले लिया दोनों हाथों से आज वापस लौटाने की जरूरत है। तू अकेला न था, थे तेरे कुछ और भी साथी। तू अकेला न था, थे तेरे कुछ और भी साथी, पर खुदगर्जी में तूने की सबकी बर्बादी। ये पेड़, ये नदियां, ये पंछी, ये वादियां, ये पेड़, ये नदियां, ये पंछी, ये वादियां, सब तोहफे में मिला तुझे, जानती है ये सदियां। पर हसरतों की तेरे कहाँ कोई अंजाम था, जो पा लिया सब कुछ फिर भी कहाँ तुझे चैन था। पर वक्त है अभी भी, तू थोड़ा सा सवर जा, पर वक्त है अभी भी, तू थोड़ा सा सवर जा, जो छीना है तूने वो लौटा कर ठहर जा। क्योंकि जिंदा है ये कुदरत तभी तो तेरी जान है, क्योंकि जिंदा है ये कुदरत तभी तो तेरी जान है। जो हो गई ये तबाह तो कहाँ तेरी औकात है।
This brings us to the end of episode 1. If you liked my content or found it helpful to plan your trip, do let me know in the comment section. And also please do like my video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in episode 2. Well, let's start off with the clothes that are required for Arunachal. First one would be summer wear. For those of you that are traveling from Guwahati, the first and the last few days would be warm, so please make sure you're carrying few t-shirts and shorts. Second would be winter wear. Places like Dirang and Tawang are super cold during the evenings and nights. I did not expect the temperature to drop that much, but when I was there I was literally freezing. Make sure you carry your jackets, sweaters, thermals and some cozy track pants. For footwear, you can carry your flip-flops, sandals and shoes. So from December to Feb, it will snow in Sela Pass, so keep this in mind while choosing your footwear for the trip. Needless to say, you would be carrying your necessities like toiletries, medicines and grooming stuff. In addition to that, please carry a torch because in Arunachal by 5:30 it becomes pitch dark. Also carry a thermos because the normal temperature out there is cold, so the water would generally be cold everywhere. So if you carry a thermos, you can have hot water all the time and you can avoid getting sick.